Hi everyone, this is Relisa coming to you with another quick video. This video is I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I've styled our ladder bookshelves in our family room. Now I would say our family room is a glam family room because it's glamorous to me. And so I'm going to show you guys what we have going on our ladder bookshelves. Now, mind you that I have two ladder bookshelves, and what I did to one, I did to the other. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the video. And don't forget to subscribe to Homebody if you have not already done so, and be sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.